Okay, so I know we're moving kind of fast through topic one, but this is all review and you are Cambridge second grade students. So I'm hoping most of this has been looking familiar and you're doing fine with it. So we're going to bounce from addition to subtraction right now because this again is all review. We used number lines many times last year to count up and count back, and that's what this lesson is about. So I'm trying to get us kind of caught up because we got a day or so behind. So we're going to do this count on and count back to subtract lesson today.
You can count on or count back to subtract on an open number line. Do you think you will get the same answer whether you count on or count back? Let's find out. Find 10 minus 4.
You can count on to subtract. Draw each move as you count.
Start with the lesser number. Count on to 10 to find the difference. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You count on 6 spaces to get from 4 to 10. So 10 minus 4 equals 6.
So that's a little different than starting at the subtraction problem, starting at the big number and counting backwards, but it works the same way. You can start from the little number in the subtraction problem and count up to the big number, and you still will get the answer 6, and I think they're going to show you that.
You can also count back to subtract. Start with the greater number. Count back 4 spaces. 9, 8, 7, 6. You land on 6, so 10 minus 4 equals 6. Counting on and counting back give you the same answer.
Okay. Now we're going to practice that today in lesson 1.5. Looks like this. It's page 21. How can counting help you find 12, take away 4? Use the number line to show your work. All right, we're going to do it 2 different ways. I'm going to get my pen. You can do this with your pencil. The first time, we're going to start at the big number, 12, right? And we're taking away, so we're going to count backwards. Oh, goodness gracious. We're going to count backwards our second number, which is 4. So start at 12, we're going to count back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What did we land on? So 12, take away 4 equals 8. Now we're going to do it the other way. I'm going to erase this. This time, we're going to start on the 4, and we're going to count up to the 12 and see how many times we move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's late, guys. You'll have to forgive me. 12. Still the same problem. Take away 4 equals 8. It's just 2 different ways to solve the same problem. All right, let's move on here. This is showing you what we just did on the video, okay, like normal. says count on or count back to subtract. So you can choose whichever way works for you and you feel good about, or whichever way your first grade teacher taught you. Because some teach counting backwards, because in subtraction we're getting smaller and going backwards, and some teach to start on the 4 and count up to 11. I taught both methods, so whatever is best for you. On this first one, they started at 11 and they went back 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they landed on the 7. Okay? You're going to do this one however you want to try it. And I want you to figure out this one over here, a 9 take away 5. Can you hear Holly? She wants my attention. Then you have a page here to try, okay? And this one says they want you to count on to find 13 take away 4. So you're going to start on the 4 and count up to the 13. And then I think we're probably going to have some story problems, subtraction story problems back here. Again, this is review, guys. So this is first grade subtraction. It's just review to get your mind back in the game, knowing how to do it. So it shouldn't take you long to do this today. And then I want you to go in and do the lesson 1-5 quick check. And then you're done with lessons for math this week. All right, good